Got his new red bell and everything, doesn't he? He's all fixed up. That thing's so loud, I doubt he's been catching anything.
He's mad at you.
He looks upset. All passed out like that. Yeah, he looks exhausted. He's been hunting all night with no success, thanks to the new bell.
No, he has had success.
Well, really? What did he kill last night?
A bird.
He did? Where did you find it at?
In the living room.
You know that upsets Dad.
Good.
What?
Good.
His teeth did get big.
Hmm?
His teeth are big.
No.
You can still hear him making noises.
He's purring.
That's loud for a sleep.
He's purring.
I'm glad you don't do that. Like make you sleep outside.
He's
Cat.
purring.
That is loud.
Not as loud as your snore.
Hey, this is my house.
Okay, so what?
I can snore wherever I want.
So what?